Today we are going to start with next unit, that is ecology. What is ecology? Ecology is interaction of living organisms with other living organisms, or we can say interaction of living organisms with each other and also with their non living environment. That is, interaction between the living organisms and interaction of living organisms with their non living environment. This study is called ecology. E.P. Odum is the father of ecology. He is considered as father of ecology. And Ramdev Mishra, he is considered as father of ecology in India. Now, we are beginning with the chapter organisms and population. Let us see what are the various levels of biological organization. Various levels of biological organization. We know that body of law, all living organism is made up of cells, and these cells, they are made up of biomolecules. Biomolecules which include माइक्रो एंड मैक्रो बायोमोलिक्यूल्स, जिसमें हमने माइक्रो में क्या पढ़ा था? सिंपल शुगर्स विच polymerize to form carbohydrates, amino acids which polymerize to form proteins, lipids, nucleic acid, that is DNA, RNA. All these, they are considered as biomolecules. Biomolecules, they join to form the cells and group of similar cells performing similar function, which have similar structure and similar origin. They are called tissues, and tissues, they organize into organs, they form organ systems, and organ systems, they form individual organisms, group of organisms which can interbreed. They belong to same species, and various species or various organisms, they form various populations. They organize into communities, and communities, different interacting communities with their non living environment, they form ecosystem. And all the ecosystems of the world taken together, they form different biomes. So these are the various levels of biological organization. So various levels of biological organizations are biomolecules, cells, tissues, organs, individual organisms, populations, communities, ecosystem, and biomes. At any level of biological organization, two types of questions can be asked, that is, how and why. There are certain questions given in NCERT book like, why are night blooming flowers generally white? Means flowers which bloom at night blooming flowers, they are white in color. So what is the question? That is, the flowers which bloom at night, they do not have to waste their resources in producing the colored pigments, because रात के टाइम कलर्स नज़र नहीं आते हैं. So the pollinators, they are attracted by the fragrance of the flower, and most of the night blooming flowers, they are pollinated by moth and bat. So the night blooming flowers, they do not waste their resources in producing colored pigments, and they attract the pollinators using their fragrance, so they are white in color. Another question is, how does chick recognize her own mother? Chick can recognize her own mother by because of imprinting. Imprinting, it occurs at a particular time during early life, and this is a habitual trust actually by which the chick can recognize its mother. Another question given is, how does bee know which flower has nectar? Bees, they pollinate the flowers, and how does bee know that flower it has a nectar? So bees, the research has revealed that bees, they can sense flowers electrical charge, and bees, they visit the flowers which are electrically charged only, and this electrical charge is the major reason which can be sensed by the bee, and they know that this flower is having the nectar or not. In addition to this electrical charge, the fragrance of the flower, it also attracts the bees. Plus another factor can be bright colors, they also help to attract the bees for visiting them, or we can say for pollinating them. So these are the certain questions. Now, ecology, what are the various levels of biological organization? In this chapter we will consider, that is, organisms. Organism, first is the organismic level, organism, then second is population, then community and biomes. So these four biological levels, biological organization levels will be discussed in this chapter, that is organism, population, community and biome.